for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Candice. Today's dish that we're preparing is baked salmon. The items that you need for the salmon is, of course, your salmon. Seasonings that you will need are the Goya Seasoning, Parsley Flakes, and your lemon pepper, Cajun Seasoning and garlic salt, along with fish rub and chopped lemons to spread across your salmon. Before we prepare our salmon, it's a good idea to actually preheat the oven to 375. After that, we have laced the pan that we are going to cook the salmon on with aluminum foil. And we're going to add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the salmon so that it doesn't stick. Now we're going to apply our seasonings. So we're going to add our garlic salt and just lightly sprinkle it. Next we're going to add our Cajun seasoning. Lightly sprinkle. We're going to add our Goya packet, and you can use this whole packet. Our lemon pepper, parsley flakes, and last but not least, your fish rub. And just sprinkle just a little bit on. Once you have your seasonings on, then you're going to take the end of your lemon and just kind of drizzle a little bit of the lemon juice onto the salmon. And then you will dress the salmon with the sliced lemons. Once you've done that, kind of want to fold over your foil so that the flavor cooks within the salmon. It's okay to leave it a little open so that it breathes. And now it's ready for baking. Now we have our salmon on the pan and actually ready to go into the oven. It's been preheating on 375. So we're going to put it on the middle rack and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. The salmon has cooked for about 20 minutes. And it looks to be done. So now we're going to cut into it. You can just see how flavorful it looks. Now it's ready to be cut and served. Here's our salmon served up with steamed green beans, diced with diced tomatoes on it, and now it's ready to eat. So once again, thank you for tuning in to Cooking with Candice. If you like this episode, click like below and subscribe to my channel. You can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you did not get to see last week's episode, check it out.